Changed your smoke alarm battery, but it's still chirping? That constant beep can drive anyone crazy. In this video, I'll show you the real reasons this happens and how to fix it step by step. Start by removing the alarm from the ceiling. Make sure you use the correct battery type recommended for your alarm. Take the battery out and put it back in securely. Double-check the battery is facing the right direction. Press and hold the test button for about 15 seconds. This resets the alarm and clears stored errors. If it still chirps, remove the battery and hold the test button again. Wait about 30 seconds to drain leftover power. Now, reinstall the battery. Dust inside the alarm can also cause chirping. Use a vacuum or soft brush to clean the vents. Steam or humidity can trigger false alerts. Make sure your alarm isn't too close to moisture or cooking areas. Most smoke alarms expire after 7 to 10 years. If yours is old, chirping may mean it needs replacement. If your alarm is hardwired, it may also have a backup battery. Make sure power hasn't been interrupted. Some alarms are linked. One faulty unit can cause others to chirp. Listen carefully to find which alarm is actually chirping. Use the silence button to stop temporary chirps. Cold temperatures can also cause battery warnings. Sometimes new batteries are defective. Try another one. Check if your model has been recalled or known to chirp. Press the test button to confirm it works properly. If the chirping stops, your alarm is working correctly again. Never disable a smoke alarm permanently. It protects your life. Reset the alarm, clean it, check the battery, and confirm it's not expired. And that's how to stop a smoke alarm from chirping after changing the battery. Subscribe for more quick home fixes that actually work.